I've always thought of AI as the most profound technology, more profound than fire or electricity.
Artificial intelligence will always make us go in awe. This year also, there is no difference. AI will soon smell molecules for you. Here are 9 explosive AI news that you never want to miss. Number 9. Microsoft's algorithm of thoughts. On August 20th, 2023, Microsoft, the company behind OpenAI, and Virginia Technical University jointly released a paper outlining their groundbreaking algorithm of thoughts, or AOT. This cutting-edge method of AI seeks to teach large language models, LLMs, like chatgpt to progress in their learning akin to human, as the study puts it. According to the paper's bold assertion, our results suggest that instructing an LLM using an algorithm can lead to performance surpassing that of the algorithm itself. Does that make sense to you? That means the algorithm will outperform itself. Actually, AOT was developed to address the drawbacks of the chain of thought technique to address problems with the current status. Even while Microsoft hasn't said it directly, it's reasonable to assume that AOT could help lessen the so-called AI hallucinations. If you're new to this term, we'll explain it to you. The amusing, concerning occurrence when programs like ChatGPT spout incorrect facts is called AI hallucinations. The algorithm of thought decreases the number of guidance required for difficult tasks while maintaining performance. By giving language models precise Python-like instruction to produce task-specific pseudocodes, AOT differentiates from earlier prompting techniques. Instead of relying on possibly inaccurate inputs and outputs at each stage, this shift emphasizes using the model's internal cognitive processes. Additionally, AOT uses contextual examples drawn from search algorithms like depth-first search and breadth-first search to help the model deconstruct complex data. Number 8. Google's Synth ID. Using Imagen, a recent text-to-image model that leverages input text to produce photorealistic images, Synth ID is being made available to a select group of Vertex AI clients. With the help of this program, users may add an almost invisible digital watermark on AI-generated photographs and tell that it was created using Imagen. Synth ID employs 2 deep learning models that were jointly trained on a wide range of photos, one for watermarking and the other for identification. For analyzing the outcomes of the watermark identification, the program offers 3 levels of confidence. If a digital watermark is found, Imagen most likely created some of the images. Number 7. Seamless M4T. A groundbreaking multilingual and multitask model, Seamless M4T is on its way. Meta researchers developed this, making it possible to seamlessly translate and transcribe both audio and text. An era of extraordinary access to multilingual content has been brought in by the internet, mobile devices, social media, and communication platforms. The goal of Seamless M4T is to make the dream of seamless language-to-language communication a reality. Seamless M4T has an impressive range of features such as automatic speech recognition, speech-to-text translation, speech-to-speech translation, and text-to-speech translation for nearly 100 input languages. Number 6. Gemini versus GPT. According to SemiAnalysis, a company that does research on semiconductors, Google's future generative AI tool is presently 5 times more effective than the most sophisticated GPT-4 models available. This signals Google's revival in the AI battle with its own architecture positioned to improve enterprise goods, challenge rivals, and potentially revolutionize industries like medical science. By 2024, it might become 20 times more powerful. Which AI tool from Google are we talking about? SemiAnalysis also suggested that the Alphabet-owned internet search provider could not wish to make its new Gemini model accessible to everyone, as it could result in the neutering of their creativity or existing business model. Although OpenAI has been in front of Google for a while now, according to the Center for AI Safety, the launch of ChatGPT indicated that Google significantly increased their AI investments too. Number 5. Quen VL and Quen VL Chat from Alibaba. Alibaba unveiled 2 new artificial intelligence models on August 25th, called Quen VL and Quen VL Chat. These are able to comprehend visuals and have deeper discussions. Alibaba claimed that Quen VL could produce captions for photographs and react to open-ended questions about various images. In contrast, Quen VL Chat supports more complex interaction, including contrasting various image inputs and responding to various rounds of questions. Alibaba used a hospital sign as an example. By analyzing a photograph of the sign, Quen VL Chat may respond to inquiries regarding what floor of the building specific hospital departments are located on. Alibaba states that Quen VL Chat is capable of composing stories, producing images for user-inputted photos, and tackling mathematical problems represented as pictures. Number 4. Samsung's Food app. If you're a fitness freak, you've probably encountered the app Whisk. It's simple to save and utilize recipes from your mobile phone with the well-known Android and iOS app. But recently, Samsung has purchased Whisk and rebranded it as Samsung Food. With over 160,000 recipes and assistance for over 100 nations, Samsung Food appears to function generally in a manner similar to Whisk. The best elements of the app are still available, including functionality for meal planning and support for storing recipes from the web to the app. Support for connecting the app with Samsung devices appears to be new with Samsung Food. Samsung's bespoke Family Hub refrigerators will accept Samsung Food recipes. Moreover, by the end of 2023, the manufacturer plans to add support for numerous appliances such as its ovens, microwaves, and induction ranges. According to Samsung, vision-based AI features will be included in the new app. Number 3. Tesla's fully autonomous cars. Although V12 still has flaws and requires significant improvement, the software represents a significant step forward in Tesla's quest for Level 4 or Level 5 autonomy. This would eliminate the need for drivers to keep an eye on their vehicles while they're in motion. The only dependence on artificial intelligence-driven neural networks that set FSD V12 apart from earlier versions is this. Previous FSD software employed neural networks to map the area around the vehicle, but Tesla programmers still had to hard-code the actions that the vehicle would do. With V12, it is no longer necessary for humans to define particular responses. While developing a more advanced FSD would help Tesla achieve its ultimate objective of starting a robotaxi company, Level 4 or Level 5 autonomy will make roads safer and is an excellent cause in itself. Elon Musk stated that creating such a service is presently Tesla's top priority because he thinks that there is a quasi-infinite demand for it, because it might change Tesla's revenue streams. Number 2. Walmart's My Assistant. A generative AI program that has been trained on corporate data will be made available to around 50,000 non-store employees of Walmart. The company revealed this on August 30th, 2023. The chain said that the My Assistant software can help with everything from summarizing lengthy documents to aiding in the creation of new content. These will help to increase productivity and free up workers' time from monotonous repetitive tasks. In the end, Walmart wants to broaden the app's use to include everything from picking benefits to reserving conference rooms, and it may even be used by customers in the future. While generative AI can speed up and improve our productivity, it also has several drawbacks, like a lack of judgment and a poor comprehension of context, and a maximum performance as good as the human brain. Walmart staff can use a voice assistant called Ask Sam in store to find things. To help identify and avoid theft, the retailer's self-checkout machines are outfitted with AI-powered cameras. Walmart is recruiting a senior manager for its conversational AI team who might make between $168,000 and $252,000 per year. Donna Morris, EVP and Chief People Officer at Walmart, added, "For out-of-the-box, truly brand new thinking, that's what humans are good at." Number 1. Google's Osmo technology. The Odor Map was created by Wilchko's Google team as a technique to group fragrance molecules that have similar aromas together, but they use artificial intelligence to make such distinctions rather than depending on human noses. They started by sending 5,000 aroma molecules from fragrance catalogs, all of which have been widely used and have detailed descriptions, to machine learning algorithms. Then, they gave the machine a more puzzling collection of data to analyze 400 compounds that scientists had created but never generated. Based simply on a molecule structure, they asked the program to anticipate what each one would smell like to individuals. The model's predictions were more accurate than the panel in 53% of the odors. A mosquito repellent is a problem that Wilchko believes Osmo's technology can address further. The majority of chemical repellents work by perplexing mosquitoes' olfactory signals, hindering them from locating their next victim. However, some of them, like DEET, have several disadvantages. It requires the use of high levels of plastic, which can irritate skin. Also, Osmo hasn't created any sensors for turning smells into digital signals or any tools to print odors. However, according to Wilchko, they are working with other scientists in order to do so. We hope you find this video interesting. Then like and share the video. Do not forget to comment down your thoughts on these new AI ventures. See you next time. Bye!